Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into an exciting new feature announced by 11 Labs, which is called Flash. So in this video, we will discuss about that how Flash works and how we can create our own conversational AI bot for our website. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, click on try for free, create a new account. This is the interface of 11 Labs. After successfully logged in, this is an interface where you can create conversational AI assistant. First of all, click on agents and it's showing me a notification. By clicking agree, I agree to conversational AI terms. And these are some sample prompts like you can create support agent, you can create match tutor, video game characters, and even travel guide. If you are interested to create your own, you can click on create this an AI agent. Now it is showing me the left panel in which I have the support agent, and here's a detailed information. If I want to change the support agent name, then I can type my agent name here. Now I'm going to create AI conversational assistant for my restaurant. So I'm going to change the name for Foodies support, right? This is my agent name. Now here, as you can see, we have the languages. You can change the language as per your requirement, like in which language your agent will communicate with you. I have the option. By default, I'm going with this one. When someone hit the button, test AI agent, what will be the first response from the AI assistant? Hi, I'm Sarah. Welcome to 440s. How can I help you today? Right? This is my system prompt. Like you are a support agent named Sarah representing the restaurant for Foodies. You can change it according to your requirements. After that, you have the option to select the LLM model. Like we have Gemini 1.5 Flash, which is a faster. Then we have other LLM models including GPT-4o, GPT-4o Mini, Turbo, and even I have the Anthropic Claude models. I have also set the temperature. Then we have token limit usage. It is by default -1. Then we have knowledge base. This is the important thing. Now this is a step where you can give the information about your restaurant. Now what you have to do is you just have to click on add items. This is a panel in which you have file option, URL option, text option. You can give a file like PDF, text documentation, even docs as well. Or if your information in some URL, like you have a website and all the information is there, you can link it with your URL. And then we have the text option as well. You can even type the information. Now, my first requirement is to upload the data. First of all, click on this button. This is my required documentation for Foodies FAQs, in which I have all the information related to my restaurant. Now, click on add item. This is a file basically in which I have the questions, including I have the answers. Now, I'm going to add my menu. Click on this one, and now I'm going to click on text button. Paste your menu here. Now click on save. Okay. Our next option is voice. The voice is like your chatbot voice. Select and choose what type of voice your AI assistant use. For this one, I'm going to choose Laura and click on save. Now here, this is an option which is a new one in 11 Labs. What you have to do is you just have to click on this one. Save. And these are the default options. If you are interested to use this AI bot in your website, you have the sample code here. You just have to copy this and paste it in your development environment. Okay, let's try. You just have to click on test AI agent, or you have option to copy the link and share it with others. Hello.
Hi there, I'm Sarah. Welcome to 4Foodies. How can I help you today?
Hey Sarah, how are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How can I help you today? Are you looking to place an order, make a reservation, or have any questions about our menu?
Tell me about four foodies.
We're a premium dining experience in Islamabad, Pakistan. We specialize in delicious, high quality food with exceptional service. We offer a wide variety of dishes, from pizzas and burgers to steaks and desserts. What are you interested in learning more about?
Please tell me about your menu.
Of course, we have a fantastic menu with something for everyone. We have delicious pizzas like the classic margarita and the spicy pepperoni. For burgers, we have the juicy cheeseburger. We also have a variety of main courses, including the flavorful chicken biryani and the perfectly cooked beef steak. For a lighter option, we have the refreshing Caesar salad. And for dessert, you can indulge in our warm chocolate lava cake. Would you like to hear more about a specific item or category?
Does four foodies offer any discount on the pepperoni pizza?
You mean the pepperoni pizza? We do. We offer a 10% discount on the pepperoni pizza. It's loaded with spicy pepperoni and mozzarella cheese, and it's a customer favorite. Would you like to know more about the pepperoni pizza? Or perhaps explore other options on our menu?
And how much is the chicken biryani and is there any discount available?
Our chicken biryani is a popular choice, and it's priced at 600 Pakistani rupees. We'd also offer a 20% discount on the chicken biryani, making it an even better value. It's a flavorful dish with spiced rice and tender chicken served with raita. Would you like to know more about our chicken biryani, or perhaps explore other main course options?
And what's the cost of a cheeseburger?
Our cheeseburger is a crowd pleaser. It's priced at 850 Pakistani rupees. It's a juicy beef patty with lettuce, tomato cheese, and our special sauce. We also offer a 5% discount on the cheeseburger. Would you like to know more about the cheeseburger, or perhaps explore other burger options?
Okay, wait for a second.
No problem at all. Take your time. I'm happy to answer any questions you have about our menu or anything else. Just let me know when you're ready.
So I write my order: two margherita pizza with one pepperoni pizza, four cheeseburger, and four drinks, which is mint margarita.
That sounds great. So you'd like to order two margarita pizzas, one pepperoni pizza, one cheeseburger, and four mint margaritas. Is that correct?
Yes. And could you please tell me the total cost?
Of course. Let me calculate the total cost for you. Just to confirm, that's two margarita pizzas, one pepperoni pizza, one cheeseburger, and four mint margaritas. I'll be right back with the total. Okay, I'm just checking our menu for the price of the mint margaritas. Could you please tell me if they are a regular beverage option or a special item?
Regular, just regular.
Okay, great. Let me calculate the total for you. Just give me a moment.
Okay, remove the mint margarita. Just tell me other cost.
Okay, the total for two margarita pizzas, one pepperoni pizza, and one cheeseburger comes to 3,750 rupees. Does that sound right?
Right, that's great.
You're very welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, thank you so very much and have a good day.
You're very welcome. Have a great day as well, and thank you for choosing Four Foodies.
So guys, in this video, we have learned about how we can create our own AI support assistant for our business, for our website with 11 Lab. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I will be joining you in the next video. Take care.